Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's 7 a.m. in the morning in Kalimpong right now, and it's pretty cold. Even yesterday night it was a little bit cold. Temperature was around 18 or 19 degrees. I just got ready, and at around 8 or 8:30 we'll head to a viewpoint called Delo. After watching the viewpoint, we will go to Gangtok, and we'll stay the night there. It's early morning, and I come for a walk because not many people are there, and I thought we'll get some good views. And the hotel we are staying is pretty isolated. I mean, it's not in the city; it's in the outskirts of the city. So the traffic is not there here, and I'm just going down the road and see what we can find. We reached Delo viewpoint just now. We have to walk a little bit further up because the car parking is down there, and we have to go top to the viewpoint. It's not crowded. I think we can find few people at the top, but right now there is no one around here. It's cool. The temperature is around 22, 23. It's still 9 a.m. So I think it may get little bit hotter in the afternoon, but right now it's pretty cool. So after visiting the viewpoint, we'll be going to Gangtok because we have to get pass for Natala. We have to get the permit before 12, otherwise we won't get the permit. So we have to go, and we have to give our ID proof and Xerox copies. So after 5 to 10 minutes of walking, we reached the viewpoint, and it's amazing. We can even see the snow-capped mountains, but it won't be visible in the camera, but we can see it. And here is the view of Kalimpong city, and you can see the Teesta river. So we can see the Teesta river and the Teesta bridge also. It's better if you come to this park early, because right now I can see a lot of people coming through. If you want to get better views, if you want to get good photos, you need to come early so that you can get the photos when no one is around. Otherwise, a lot of crowd are coming in, and it's better if you come before 9:30 so that you can get good pics, and even you will be able to enjoy the views better if the crowd is less. We can see new level of taking the pictures right now. This is the tree which was used earlier to take the photo. Someone stood on this tree and took the photo. way to Delo, you will get this giant Buddha statue, and even from here you will get amazing views. This is one advantage when you come to mountain areas, because in every corner you will get this good views.
A few moments later.
Just 2 minutes after the Buddha statue, we have this Hanuman statue here. We have to climb this face. There is another temple there. Since there was no statue, we didn't go to the temple. I think we can see even the Buddha statue from here. Yes. Welcome to Sikkim. Karnataka. We have reached this place called Oasis Cafe. It is just after entering the Sikkim border, and it is near to Sikkim Manipal University. Our drivers haven't had any breakfast, so we'll just accompany them and we'll have some light food. This place looks really good. It is just beside the Teesta River. We finished having food, and I just observed that they are painting the Shiva statue.
आ गया, ठीक है।
हाँ,
ये जो ऊपर में ट्रैफिक पॉइंट दिख रहा है नहीं, आगे फ्लाईओवर के सामने में ये जो ट्रैफिक खड़ा है ना, वो आगे ये
हाँ।
अंदर एमजी रोड है।
इस तरह
ये अंदर एमजी रोड है, ठीक है।
हाँ।
यहाँ का सबसे बड़ा फुटबॉल स्टेडियम, और आपका होटल यही बगल में, आप वॉक करके भी स्टेडियम में आ सकते हैं 2 मिनट, ठीक है।
हाँ।
वो आपका होटल आ गया तो सिक्किम रिट्रीट, यही तो आपका होटल लंबा वाला।
We reached Gangtok around 2 and had lunch in the hotel. Today we will just go for shopping in MG Road, and tomorrow we will go to Nathula Pass.